Good evening everybody, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a week in my life, a week in Paris. I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'm gonna try and vlog as much as possible, get so much content for you guys, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun week. This week is gonna be a very productive week, kind of busy as well, lots of plan already, so I'm excited. Yeah, so by the time you're watching this, by the way, a little disclaimer here, it is pre-filmed because by the time you're watching this, it will be February the 9th. And today is actually Monday, January 27th, and it is currently 9:30 in the evening, and I'm just sitting in my bed and not really doing much, and I sort of start the vlog right now in order to be organized during this week because it's a weekly vlog. Anyway, so a little side note here. I haven't announced anything anywhere, and the reason why I'm pre-filming this is because I will be in Miami in February, and I'm so excited. I leave on the 5th of February and I am there until the 15th. So by the time you're watching this, I will be in Miami. I'm so freaking excited for this trip. I haven't been there since a year, and I'm actually surprising Noel. And I don't know who Noel is, or if you've never heard of him on my channel and this is your first time watching me. Noel is my best friend from high school, and basically I am surprising him, but I have told his boyfriend, aka my other best friend, Matthew. I will insert pictures of us right here. They've been on the vlogs quite a few times. And yeah, I've took a lot of pictures with Matthew. Actually, he takes a lot of my Instagram pictures. I'm so excited. We've got so much things planned. You will see a vlog on that later in February. I'm excited. It's hard not telling him. I almost tweeted it out the other day, but I am careful. Me and Matthew have planned so many cool things. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to vlog and take you guys along this cool holiday. And we have holidays because basically in France, literally almost every month, every 6 weeks or so, they have a vacation, they have holidays. It's like crazy. We have 1 week, but we are lucky. We finish at the end of March actually, because then we get into our internships. So yeah, we are taking the opportunity to go, and I'm really excited. So anyway, yeah, this week is gonna be fun. I thought I should start the vlog right here, right now, because I am in the mood for yesterday. I went and spent the day with my friend Carla, so shout out to you, girl. And I went to see Bombshell, the movie that just came out. It's so good, so if you haven't seen it yet, if you want to go see a really good movie, please go see it. I feel like when you watch movies that are like real stories, it's even more like, because you know it's like real stuff, you know. Tomorrow is gonna be a fun day as well because first of all, it's kind of like my favorite day for like the classes that we have, and second of all, we are going to a VR workshop where we're gonna try out different styles of VR, so it's so exciting with my class. And then me and my friend Nicholas, we are going to meet our actual clients. I don't even know if I talked about this on the last vlog. Basically, in our social media class, we finally had our first class with our new teacher, and we each have a different clients. We each chose a different like enterprise, you know, etc., a brand, and we are gonna work for them and help them with their communications, give them a strategy, etc. And it's really exciting. And so we chose a bar in Paris, and I'm definitely gonna like vlog. I'm definitely gonna bring my phone, and like obviously I'm gonna bring my phone, but I'm definitely gonna like get some footage for you guys on my phone. I'm excited. I'm gonna try to get some pictures as well for myself. But yeah, so we're gonna meet them tomorrow after our VR workshops. And yeah, then I literally wrote. Alright, this is literally mostly everything that I have for this week-ish. So yeah, I thought I should start the vlog, catch you guys up a little bit. I'm watching Emma Leisure's Cape Town's vlog. I actually really like her. I've been really enjoying her videos. So if you guys want someone new to watch on YouTube, go ahead and go like check her out. I'm gonna link down everything, write down everything that I mentioned in this vlog down below, so go ahead, go check it out because it's super cool. I love her and her boyfriend, and yeah, plus she's currently on vacation, so it's like actually really dreamy. Anyway, so yeah, I think I'm gonna go figure out my outfit and just like do some stuff. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go to bed because I am that person that likes to go to bed early for class the next day. Well, it depends, but usually like 10 a.m. is like 10 a.m. Usually 10 p.m. is my day to go to my day. Oh my god! Usually 10 p.m. is my time to go to bed. At 10:30, I always try to make it that because then it's too early, and then like I don't want to go to bed too late because then when I wake up I'm so tired. I'm a person that goes to bed early because I'm a morning person rather than a night owl, but you know, it depends the situation again, but like weekdays ish I tend to go to bed like 10:30, 11 the max. If
Ça y est, vlog celle-là.
Hello, okay, so today we are Thursday the 30th. It's currently 11:55 and I'm just in my room. I just wrote down everything that I needed to do for today. I also like tried to do everything. So yeah, I haven't really vlogged as much as I thought I would the past few days. I tried my best and got some like few clips and videos here and there. So hopefully it made it to this vlog. So today pretty much just gonna be busy doing schoolwork and just doing a bunch of stuff I need to do and plan some videos before I go off to Miami. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting and fun. So yeah, for now let's get to work, let's get busy. This is the outfit of the day. Sweater is from Uniqlo. This is from a magazine, it's just one of my graphic t-shirts, and this is from Uniqlo as well. I'm really liking the pink vintage vibes up in here. So yeah, let's work. But it's over and over and over and over, sleeping without you. I need somebody to heal, somebody to heal. Expectation seems to keep me up 1,000 times. Don't get me wrong.
C'est poursuivi, mais j'étais contente de ne pas avoir pris l'alcool parce que...
Un peu de contexte peut-être, hein.
Si je le trouve. Bon, mes potes, je leur dis oui, on se retrouve où à Châtelet? Zéro.
It's been a while since I lastly vlogged. I'm still at the same place. I'm in my room. I haven't changed at all. I've been in PJ just ever since I woke up. So yeah, we're living the Sunday life in true style. Okay, so it's 2:44 and I thought I should vlog because, as I mentioned at the start of the vlog, I am going to Miami next Thursday. We were leaving Wednesday for some reason, but we're leaving Thursday and I will not have the time to pack because I have university. So I am doing it right now. I'm just gonna start organizing the clothes that I'm gonna take because also I'm gonna shoot a lookbook, and also we're gonna have photo shoots with Matthew, so I need to think of what to take, etc. And I might do some shopping as well, so I'm not gonna take too much, so I need to figure that out. And yeah, I thought I should vlog for you guys. I think that would be fun. And yeah, if you guys want to see more of my traveling pack with me videos, I have a lot of videos like that on my channel, so I will link down some of these videos if you guys are traveling anytime soon and you want inspiration. So let's get the summer clothes. This is so weird because like I've been wearing tights, skirts, jeans, sweaters like for the past months, and here we are, we're gonna wear swimsuits, and I'm excited. I'm so excited. So let's get the clothes out. All right, so jacket. All right. Yeah. Maybe a blazer. Okay, it's kind of cold in Miami, so you know. Maybe I want my pink skirt. Summer clothes, yes! Oh my god, I have missed you. Alright, so it's been a bit since I vlogged. I kind of organized myself in like what clothes I really want to take and what clothes I don't want to take. So what I do is that before packing, I kind of just think of the days that I'm going to be there. And then I think of the activities that I'm going to be doing. So for example, me and Matthew are going to do some photo shoots, and then we're going to shoot a lookbook for my channel. So I'm going to take some pieces for that. But also I know that I'm going to be going out to dinner with some friends and, you know, grab drinks, etc. Some like fancier kind of like dinner vibes outfits. Also, we're gonna go to the beach a lot, so you know, some beachwear outfits, etc. So like I always try to think of the things we're gonna do and then kind of plan around that, if that makes any sense. Also, I know that I'm gonna be doing some shopping. I want to go thrift shopping, I want to go shopping, so like I'm not gonna take too much, but I'm gonna leave some space because you know, when you're going on vacation, you're always shopping, like it's just inevitable, like, you know. Anyway, also like same for shoes, like I always take my, like, you know, my sneakers and then like my flip-flops and then eventually another pair. Like I don't need 300 pairs of like shoes. Same for like accessories and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna continue showing you guys how I pack.